Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. Well guys, I've already broken my brand new tool set tray. You know, I got it for Christmas. I'm just kidding, guys. This is my son's, my 2-year-old's Christmas toy. You know, it seems to me like the Santa's elves are a little silly these days on how they design things. There was a handle, you know, here, and it went through these holes, and literally it's already broken, guys. He already broke it somehow. I think she said he tried to stand on it, so I really can't fault the silly Santa's elves, really. I think it was just, you know, user error, if you will. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it. I'm not gonna go, what I'm not gonna do, you know what I'm not gonna do? You know what I'm not gonna do? I'm not gonna go out and buy another one. I'm just gonna fix it, okay? So, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some bamboo. I'm gonna cut a piece of bamboo. I think that piece right there will work. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see if we can do a little DIY bamboo toy repair. Maybe even be able to put a bigger piece on this piece so that it does spin as he's carrying it. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and cut there and see how big of a hole I need to do, because right now it's just these little square holes, and so we're gonna use spade bit and make it a little bigger. All right, so I got a piece cut. We can make it work. So we need a spade bit. I'm guessing about a 3/4 inch size spade bit. I'm guessing 3/4 will be the right size. If we have to go bigger, we'll go bigger. So what I'll do is I'll come down about right there. I'll just make it lower, you know. So come back right here. Okay. Can you see any of this? Okay, see how we did that? Made another hole in there. We'll do the same thing on this side. It doesn't necessarily have to be perfect. Okay, so we got our holes. Got a hole on this side. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Hole on that side. Then got our bamboo. Run that through like that. Okay. So then we have a little handle. But how are we going to secure it, right? Find just a bigger, longer piece, you know, that I haven't really cut yet. That will work. That's way too big. That might be doable. Yeah, this side will fit that. Okay. So I'll just cut that. I'll just cut that down for this side. All right, so then I'll take this piece and I'll put a little glue on it. Crazy, I know. So we want to make sure we put this on right. All right, so that side goes in there like that. All right, let's take a little glue. We might get some on our table. That's okay, guys. Don't panic. Put that on there like that. All right. Let that dry. This piece here fits on there pretty good, snug like that. So I'm gonna cut off a piece on this piece to match that fastener. You could take and smooth down the edges, get rid of all the cut marks on it. Put on a piece of sandpaper like that. We got a little piece of bamboo cut for our other side. Now obviously we can't install this one like prior to putting it on the tool, okay? This has to be put on after it's inside here. So what we'll do is we'll put this in first, like that. Then when we go to put this on, like so, you got a little handle. And here's the other cool thing. It spins, right? As a handle should, in my opinion. So just using natural materials, we've already, in my opinion, improved this toy, okay? All around it, like that. Take our fastener, okay? Let this dry, guys, and then I'll go over some of it with this piece of sandpaper. Totally can paint this black, and you can give it a shine. You would never know that this is bamboo. He's definitely not going to care. It's going to function, and actually function better than the previous design. So there you go, guys. DIY bamboo toy repair. Have a good one.